All right, y'all. This is episode something out of nothing. My hair has conditioner in it right now. We're in the middle of wash day. So I'm going to show you guys from below dry to finish what we're doing today. I'm going in with that mane and tail leave-in. Yes, I said mane and tail leave-in hair strengthener to be exact. I actually like this. It's like an all-in-one leave-in situation. Heat protected leave-in hair strengthener. And it also gives your hair a little bit of shine. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into about 4 quadrants. And we're going to go ahead and start the blow dry process. Today we are doing a wig install, you guys. But if you can tell from the background, I am not in my regular location. I'm at my mother's house. This was recorded impromptu, but we just had to see it through once I put the camera up. So I do the tension method when I blow dry, meaning I hold my hair taut, blow dry for a little bit. Then I go in with the brush to, further smooth it out. It doesn't take me long to blow dry my hair. My hair is pretty much heat trained when it comes to that. I use heat on my natural hair. Whoop-de-doo. But you guys, I was so upset doing this because I was at my mother's house, so I didn't have all the products that I normally use or normally need, which is why this is called something out of nothing. As you guys can see, if you've been keeping up with the episodes, baby, my temples are starting to come in now at this point. This was recorded in May. So, yeah. And my hair is still full from root to tip. Check me out. Check me out. Yeah. Cut still even a couple months later. That's what you call length retention, okay? We braided her down. I'm going to go in and oil my scalp. And then I'm going to go in with grease as well. Whenever I do my hair, I grease my scalp and oil my scalp because I know I leave my styles in for extended periods of time. Depending on your routine, you do not need to oil and grease your scalp, okay? Everything is contingent upon your routine. Now I'm going to go in and lay my edges down. I use that, what is it? Liquid glue? Yeah, to lay my edges down. You see that? Them shit's not going nowhere. That's literally like, I don't even know. It's amazing, really. Put my cap on, y'all. This is a closure wig. Y'all, this was the wrong wig. This wig is chewed, as you can see by the lace. But again, something out of nothing. I didn't lie. The color is even messed up, y'all. I did not know this was the wig. And I'm sitting there looking upset because I'm realizing it was crunchy. Like, color not even for real. I'm going in with my lace glue. You can tell I didn't use that shit, y'all. I'm going in with 2 layers because whenever I wear closure wigs, I personally don't need more than 2 layers of glue. Put that bad boy on, and I'm just going to lay it into the glue. That lace looks so crazy, y'all. But I also didn't want to pluck it anymore because then I would have to cut more lace off, and it was already receding. I couldn't do that. So now we're going to melt it with my band and see what that does. All right, it did something. We're going to go in with melting spray, and I'm going to put that black wrapping strip on there because I feel like that is going to help it melt better because I think I can make that tighter, if that makes sense. But yeah, so we're going to detangle this hair. Anytime y'all are reusing y'all wigs, just trim the ends off of them. Just trim it. It is what it is. This is a curly unit too. I'm not trying to deal with no tangles, no knots, no fairies, no none of that. That black strip did help. It got stuck a little bit, but it did help lay that lace down better. The damn spray bottle broke too. I told y'all, something out of nothing. Spray bottle barely work. I'm not doing my hair in my mama's house no more after this. I promise. But I'm just going to go in, detangle this hair. Y'all, no hot combs. So I'm laying my lace down. Well, not laying my lace, but I'm flattening the closure using Eco Styler Gel. And then I'm going in with some foam that I found under the sink. It's the generic brand, so I know it's from Sally's. And then I'm just going to detangle the hair. And that's it. We're just going to set it. Make sure you let this dry, though. Make sure you let this dry, especially because I put that Eco Styler on the lace. But this is the final look, you guys. I think I did make something out of nothing. And I'm going to try to leave this wig on for at least 3 weeks. This is it in natural lighting. Y'all let me know, but I'll see y'all in the next episode. Bye.